Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, but now's as good a time as any to make another video. This one's going to be a bit short though. And it's raining like crazy. And I look either like a druid or something out of a bad horror movie. It's going to be a long morning. Check this out. Flooding. Not too bad. But I'm loving the rain. Look at this. All the way to my car. Can't even get in on the driver's side. At least we got the passenger side. You can hear it hitting. Oh. Well, I guess it wasn't thunder then, but still, love it. Look at all that water. We definitely need it. Definitely need it. Anyways, going on a short trip. In the meantime, subscribe for more content. Love you guys. And stay dry. Peace, my friends. God bless.